हेलो दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप लोग। तो दोस्तों, इस वीडियो में हम काला पानी लिपू लेक डिस्प्यूट की बात करेंगे। तो देखिए, नेपाल रिसेंटली अप्रूव्ड इट्स न्यू पॉलिटिकल मैप शोइंग इट्स क्लेम ओवर लिपू लेक, काला पानी एंड लिम्पियाधुरा territories, raising a matter of concern for India. As of now, Nepal has not released the map publicly. However, it is expected to be published soon. The move has been strongly condemned by India as unjustified cartographic assertion. Earlier in November 2019, India released its new political map showing Kalapani as a part of its territory, means India's territory, which was objected by Nepal. The new India map also showed Pakistan occupied Kashmir as a part of its newly created UT, Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Kalapani is the first big reason behind Indo-Nepal border controversy, followed by Lipu Lake. Lipu Lake is located in a far west point near Kalapani, an area of controversy, an area of territorial dispute between India and Nepal. Both the countries claim these regions as part of their territory. India claims Kalapani as part of Pithoragarh district of Uttarakhand, whereas Nepal claims it as a part of its Darchula district. लिपू लेक का मैप यू कैन सी, ठीक है। दिस इज़ द लिपू लेक पास गोइंग टुवर्ड्स मानसरोवर, ठीक है। एंड दिस इज व्हाट वी कॉल काला पानी। लिपू लेक territorial dispute between India and Nepal. Lipu Lake Pass is located atop the Kalapani at a tri-junction between India, China and Nepal. The Indo-Nepal border dispute over Lipu Lake dates back to 1997, when for the first time Nepal raised objections against the decision of India and China to open Lipu Lake Pass for travelling to Mansarovar. Lipu Lake Pass is an ancient route made for trade and pilgrimage purposes by Bhutia people. The route was closed by India following the Indo-China War of 1962. However, lately, in the beginning of May 2020, India reopened the route for Kailash Mansarovar pilgrimage after constructing 22-kilometer long road on the pass. Why Lipu Lake is a dispute territory between India and Nepal? Let's see. See, Lipu Lake Pass opens from Gunzi village. Nepal claims that the village and the road is its territory. On the other hand, India and China signed a trade treaty in 1954 declaring Lipu Lake Pass as the Indian Gateway. Moreover, both the countries signed another treaty in 2015 for trading through Lipu Lake Pass. However, this time Nepal protested against the move, staking claim over Kalapani area. Kalapani territorial dispute between India and Nepal. Kalapani, largely a valley, appears on the Kailash Mansarovar route and is located at an altitude of 3600 meter, bordering India's Uttarakhand and Nepal, Sudur Paschim Pradesh. Kalapani is majorly formed on Himalayan rivers known by the names Kali, Mahakali or Sharda in India and Nepal. India and Nepal are bound to settle all the boundary disputes including Kalapani through bilateral talks under an agreement signed in 1998. Let's talk about some questions which will answer your doubts about the Kalapani as a disputed territory between India and Nepal. Who controls the Kalapani area? First question is, who controls the Kalapani area? See, India's Indo-Tibetan border police has been controlling the Kalapani and nearby areas since the Indo-China War of 1962. The next question is, what is Nepal's claim over Kalapani? Nepal government claims that towards the west of Kalapani flows the main Kali river which falls in its territory. As per the treaty of Sugauli, the Kali river is located in Nepal western border that it shares with India. The treaty was signed between Nepal and British East India Company in 1860. And the next question is, what is India's claim over Kalapani territory? See, Indian government claims that a ridge line located towards the east of Kalapani territory is a part of the Indian Union. The Treaty of Sugauli mentions nothing about this ridge line. The next question is, why has there been dispute between India and Nepal over Kalapani? Though Treaty of Sugauli clearly mentions about the Kali River and its location in Nepal, there were a few subsequent maps drawn by British surveyors which show the origin of Kali River from different places. This digression from the treaty led to territorial disputes between India and Nepal. Even the size of Kalapani is different in various sources. Three aspects of territorial dispute between India and Nepal. Treaty of Sugauli. The first one is Treaty of Sugauli. Nepal and the British East India Company in 1816 signed the Treaty of Sugauli to end the territorial war. The treaty demarcated Uttarakhand's Kumaon with the river Kali as a boundary between India and Nepal. However, the river Kali has been shifting its course from time to time. Origin of river Kali. The place of its origin is also not known. India claims that the river origins from streams of Kalapani, and Nepal claims that river originates from its Kuthi Yangti stream. The next one is Gunji village. River Kali bisects the Beans area, and the southeast of Beans includes the Gunji village, which is claimed by Nepal as its territory. Gunji village is the gateway for Mansarovar Yatra. The Beans and its areas were transferred to Nepal by Britishers following the Treaty of Sugauli. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel, like and share the video with your family and friends. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram.